In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add image in Zoho Forms. Start by opening Zoho Forms and navigating to the form you want to edit. Everything we do happens inside the form builder. So make sure you are in the correct form before you begin. If you want to show an image that respondents can see but not change, like a logo, a banner, or an instructional graphic, the quickest method is to use the description field. Drag the description field onto your form wherever you want the image to appear. This field supports HTML content, which means you can place images directly inside it. Click into the text editor. Look for the image icon and select it. Choose the image from your computer, upload it, and then click Done. You'll see the image embedded in the description area. This is great for branding or adding visual context at the top of a form section. For the best experience, use properly sized images so they load quickly and look sharp across devices. If you'd like respondents to select an option by clicking a picture, use the Image Choices field. From the left pane, drag image choices onto the form and click the field to configure it. Click the upload icon, select the image or images from your computer, and add a clear name for each choice. When you are finished, click Save to see how the options appear. Keeping all images the same dimensions helps the layout look tidy. And concise choice names make it easy for people to decide quickly. To let respondents upload their own images, add the Image Upload field. You'll find it under the Upload section in the Form Builder. Drag it onto the form and click the field to adjust its settings. Here, you can set file size limits and turn on image compression. On standard plans, the maximum file size is up to 20 MB, while enterprise plans allow up to 1 GB. Image compression helps speed up submissions in low bandwidth areas, which can reduce drop-offs on slower connections. Note that higher limits and compression options may require a subscription. When your limits look right for your use case, click Save. Once your image elements are in place, arrange them in the order you want and make sure the spacing feels natural. Give your form a quick check to confirm images display correctly and that upload settings match your expectations. That's it. Thanks for watching.